What's up everybody, my name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Overtime by Chris Brown. Alright, so let's go to the studio and let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, you're gonna close your feet first. All together close, going to your left. Goes like 1, 2, up, 3, away, 4, this is 5, punch on 6, and away on 7, close on 8. You got it? One more time. Let's do it slowly this time. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, up on 3, 4, close on 5, 6 and 7, close on 8. Good job. One more time. This time it's fast. 6, 7 and go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, close. Go change to the front. This is 2 count to the front, then the rest is 1 count. 6 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and brush 5, 6, 7, then cross 8 and 1. Alright, we finish on 8 first. 7, 8. Let's try one more time. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Until then, let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, slowly, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, so 7, 8, so stay here, 7, 8, 1, punch on 2, then pull it, 3, push 4, cross 5 and 6, down on 7, this is 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, punch on 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. Next, let's continue this one. 3 and 4. You just side on 5 and 6. 5, 6, then you're gonna go 7. Alright, then hit on 8. You got that one? One more time. From here, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go on. And 1, 2, 3, open, 4. Side on 5, 6, and 7, 8. Just like 7, hit. Alright, 7, 8. Shoulder, 8. That's right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Punch, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hit. Yes. Good job. Alright guys, one clarification. Instead of from here, 5, 6, and 7, I teach the left one. Suppose right. Tara and right. Alright? Sorry about that. Let's try one more time. So it goes like 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Right. Got it? Alright. Last 2 8s. So for this one, this is super easy. Just like it goes like this. So step will end up on 7 and 8. So basically you're raising your right foot. 7, 8. You just for the step first, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Just 5, 6 going down, and 8. Simple as that. 6, 7, 8. Go brush. Knee up, brush to your left, knee up to the front, left, right, block. So when execution is like this. So 7 and 8 go lower, up, then lower, contract, then hit it, down and down. Alright? So it's really up to you how to put any style on the dance. Alright? If you want to do a little bit chill, it's really up to you. So from 6, 7, 8 go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 go 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So for the last 8 you just gotta go 1, 2, close, 3, 7 and 1, 2, 3. Then this one shoulder 4, press 5, 6, cassette, then 8, 7, 8, then up. Alright? Good job. Let's try one more time. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brush on 5, 6, up on set, then 8, then turn around. That's it. You remember all of it? We do the basic first. The last 2 8s from here. So 7 and 8 go 1, up, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up, 7, 8 away, 2, 3 and a pose you like. Very good. Now let's try everything from the beginning. Alright? In my count, super slow. We just do once. Alright? Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, up, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. 8, go 1, 2. I said slow. And then 5, 6, and 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brush. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Good job, guys! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Alright, if you want to see more dance tutorial, dance videos, or my personal blog, just visit my channel, go to the playlist, and there's a lot of playlists that you can choose. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.